What's up, party people? Ooh. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is TonyaNicole, and I am so happy that you guys decided to watch my video today. I really hope you guys enjoy my content. So today we're going to be unboxing our Slay Glam box. Y'all know last month I really wasn't feeling them too much. I'm hoping this month it's much better. So if you guys want to see what I have inside of my Slay Glam for the month of July, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know how your day is going today. Thank you. Okay guys, so I am feeling wonderful today. I hope all of my positive vibes are bouncing off of this screen to you. Mwah. I hope you get this positive vibe, and I hope you're feeling great like I am today, because y'all, we unboxing our Slay Glam box for the month of July. And y'all know last month I was kind of disappointed with my box that I received, but I'm hoping this month will be so much better. I did see some of the spoilers. She did have a customized lipstick, I think. You could have chose what color you wanted. I did not choose. I let her pick for me. So I'm excited to see what exactly she picked. Without further ado, let's get on into the unboxing. Oh, before we get into that, real quick. Welcome to all of my new subscribers. I'm so happy to have you guys. We will be doing a giveaway soon. I'm just trying to get ideas from you all as well on what I should do as far as giveaway. Okay, now let's get on into the unboxing. For you guys that do not know, Slay Glam is a $24 per month beauty subscription. You get 5 to 7 full-size products each month with a minimum value of at least $100. I know on Instagram she allows you to customize some of your products for the month, so I really like that about this subscription. And if you guys want to subscribe to Slay Glam, I will put my link down below. You do get some coins off, so if you want to, click it and go ahead on and sign up. It's up to you guys. Or if not, you could just watch me unbox, right? Or you could do both. The more the merrier. I'm crazy. Let's get on into it. It comes like this every month in this cute little purse box thing, which I absolutely adore. We have 2 products that's outside of our wrapper. Okay, so this is what it was looking like outside of the box, guys. Slay Glam always comes with this little card here that says Slay Glam box. Thank you for subscribing, with her social media handles right here on the bottom. And on the back of the card is a list of the products as well as the prices. And y'all know we love prices, right? Yes. So I will put the price of the products at the bottom of the screen, and we'll do a grand total towards the end. So let's see what we got, girls and boys. Up first, from Glam Cosmetics, this Oh Wow brush blender here in this pretty little pink color. I love this. I love receiving beauty blenders or sponges inside of subscription boxes, guys. You can never have enough sponges. It looks like this. It is a little stiff, but I'm hoping when you wet it, it will get softer, a little softer and bigger. Also, you can use this both dry or wet. It does feel like it's like a microfiber. It does feel like a microfiber. It's very, I don't know how to describe it, but they do have this flat surface here that I love. That would be good for like blending out your concealer or even pressing in your foundation. And they have a shorter side, a shorter little flat side here that I guess would also be good for catching like the corner of your nose, down your mouth. I don't know, but I will definitely give this sponge a try. So let's see how much this retails for. And this, my friends, is the Glam Cosmetics Oh Wow brush blender. And this retails for $15. Okay. Up next was one of the variation products that I let her choose for me. And she knows that I am into dark colors. So, especially for lipsticks, I see from the package that it looks like it's pretty dark. So this is the Pure Luxe lipstick from Glam Cosmetics, and this is what the package is looking like here. And this is the shade Plum. Packaging is cute. And this is what the packaging is looking like, guys. And let's see. Ooh, girl. Oh my God. That is like almost a black. Oh, shoot. Oh my God. Let's watch this and see. Oh, okay. Well, guess what? See, looks can be deceiving. Look at that. That is a gorgeous, gorgeous plum lipstick. And you know what? I'm gonna try it on. I have to. We're gonna take this off and I'm gonna put this on. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back and I have it on. It looks like pretty much the color I just took off, but it's a little more deeper and ooh, girl. Now, I love this lipstick. Oh, I love the color. And it's not really like super drying. I don't know if it's a matte lipstick or not. Let's see. Intense color, buttery soft, and long lasting. Definitely. The color is intense. And it does feel buttery. I mean, I'm getting a little pull, but I don't mind that. As long as the color looks good on my lips, huh? Thank you, girl, for picking this color. You knew me very well. I love, love, love this color. It's gorgeous. So let's see how much this retails for us, guys. And this is the Kalen Cosmetics Pure Luxe Lipstick, and this retails for $19. So now we're gonna open up our little package like this. Now I must say, Slay Glam is really kind of turning into one of my top boxes. And I think I'm gonna do a video on like my boxes rated from best to worst. So I think I'm gonna definitely do that because I definitely have some favorites and I have some that's kind of like, So first thing out of the package is this from Manicador. And this is a, what is this? A 3-in-1 contour, shadow, and blush in the shade Posh. And this is what it's looking like. It has a little plastic on it. Let's take that off. This is what it's looking like outside of the little plastic here. And when you open it up, these are the two colors here. So this is a contour, shadow, and blush. So I'm not sure, but this is how they swatch out on the hand. This one right here is, I'm gonna try to build it up some. This shade right here is this one right there. It's very powdery, guys. I'm not sure what that is, but this have to be the shadow part here. So that's that. And let's see. I don't know if it's all together. I also received this with this. So I don't know if this goes together. No, it doesn't. Well, I don't know. I'm going to say that this is by itself. This is the 3-in-1 contour, shadow, and blush. So you could use, I guess, you know, them as blush or shadow, contour. I guess you could just use it, you know, mix them up together. And this retails for $21, guys. All right, that was a little confusing, but that's okay. Up next, I'm seeing this Goddess by Manicador. I don't know how to say that word. This palette here, this eyebrow palette. And let's open it up and see. 3 stencils here for your brows. That is really, really, really cute. And this is what the palette looks like here. Nice palette. You have all of these brown tones, and it gives you different undertones and different browns for different skin tones, which I really, really, really do like. And I'm going to assume that this is like to outline or to kind of like highlight the brow bone, these shades here. This is very, very pretty, guys. So I like that. I'll swatch a couple so you guys can see. This is what they look like on my fingertips. This is how they swatched out right there. Beautiful. I will definitely use that. I've been using like a brow pencil. I haven't made the switch yet to powder, so we could check it out just to kind of maybe fill them in or whatever. And it also came with these 3 products here. We have a spoolie right there to kind of brush them into place. We have the brow brush here, the little slanted brow brush here, which would be great. Oh, it feels stiff, but I think you need a stiffer brush to do your brows to kind of make sure you stay in line. And also it came with this highlight and enhance pencil here. Highlight on this side, enhance on this side. So let's go ahead and swatch it out. So that's how those two swatched out. This is the brown shade here, and this is the highlight. This actually swatched darker on my hand, so I think that would be a good color for me to fill in with. And this is the highlighter part here, which is this one right there. So we're definitely gonna play with this, guys. This is a cute little set that we got here, guys. Very, very cute. I do like that she includes sets in her subscription boxes. She don't just like break it up and give you one and one. She includes a set. So let's see what this retails for, guys. And this is the Manicador eyebrow kit, and it retails for $39.99. And I will definitely get some use out of this. We're gonna practice with some powders, guys. And we have one more product, y'all. And for it being July, and I guess 4th of July, Independence Month, we have an eyeshadow palette from Doe Color. This is a 15 color eyeshadow palette, and it's Dream in Color. Look at that. Oh, it slides out. And there's another flag. This is so super, super, super cute. It does not come with the mirror, guys, but these are the colors here. That is absolutely gorgeous. I love this palette. Oh, I love this palette. These are some very pretty colors. 7 shimmers and 8 matte colors in here. And I'm gonna swatch a couple of them for you guys. So we're gonna do 2 shimmers and 2 mattes. So let's do, oh, this yellow for sure. Y'all know I love yellow. Even though it really doesn't show up on my skin tone a lot, I'm still gonna swatch it. Definitely gonna swatch this red. And let's do a shimmer blue. And let's do this color here. Oh, the yellow is, oh, it's very powdery. Okay, so the matte colors seem really powdery, and the shimmer shades went on very smooth and creamy, but y'all already know what I say. It ain't about how it swatches on the arm. It's about when that brush hit that pan and then hit that eye, how it blends out. So this is what it's looking like swatched out. It is a little powdery, guys. So I'm hoping this yellow will pick up. I don't know, but we will play with this and see. I'm definitely gonna put this in the video of the makeup for the month. So this palette right here, guys, retails for $14.99. Perfect. That was my last product, guys. We're gonna do a quick recap, final thoughts. We're gonna rate this box and we're gonna be done. So we received this from Doe Color, this 15 shadow eyeshadow palette here. We received from Manicador this Goddess eyebrow palette here, along with these tools. We received this 3-in-1 contour, shadow, and blush from Manicador also. We received from Kale & Cosmetics this lipstick here, and also from Kale & Cosmetics this microfiber sponge here. 5 products for this month, guys, and let's get to my final thoughts. Final thoughts for this month with Slay Glam box. I think they made up tremendously for last month's box. I really, really, really liked this box, guys. You got an eye set, you got a palette, you got a sponge, you got a beautiful, oh my God, this lipstick is gorgeous. I love the lipstick. I think I'm gonna use every product that's in this box for this month as part of my monthly subscription try on. I'm gonna do a video like that. So I think that this is a pretty good box. If I had to rate this box, guys, on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw it to the wolves, or 5, this box is amazing, it's a bomb.com. We're gonna give Slay Glam for the month of July a whopping 4. Now, I will mind you, these ratings are my own personal ratings. Also, this is based on before I use the product, so the rating may go up or it could go down. But for right now, we're gonna give her 4 to 4.5 because I really, really like this box. I really like this lipstick. It's like, ooh, girl, your lips are popping. Ooh. Anyway, guys, so let me know your thoughts on Slay Glam. Let me know if you're subscribed to her. If you are, let me know if you like the box that you received. If you like my box, what your rating would be. Also, I've been getting a lot of requests from people like my girl Jennifer. They want to see more videos from me. So give me some ideas on what different things y'all want to see besides unboxings and get ready with me. So let me know, guys. I'm always open to suggestions and I want to do more. I want you guys to challenge me and push me a little more outside outside of my comfort zone. So please leave me some suggestions down in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, guys, if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would love to have you. Please become one of my bomb ass subscribers. You guys are amazing. You are so bomb. Follow me on social media. All of my links are down below in the description box. Also, if you want to subscribe to Slay Glam, I do have a link down below with a discount on it. You guys will receive some money off of your boxes, your first box. And let's see what else. I think that is all that I have, guys. So guys, until next time and next video, I love you guys so much. Much love. Peace.